One thing that I learned in my job to be faster at Excel is by using keyboard shortcuts. And today I'm going to show you how to use your keyboard to add and delete rows into your data set. So we're going to delete this blank row. I selected it with my mouse, but normally I would go down with my arrow keys and go to that row and then press Alt. Don't hold it, press it so it'll trigger all of the shortcuts in the ribbon. Then press H for home, D for delete, and then R for rows, and it deleted the row that you selected. If you want to delete multiple rows, then let's say these last two rows right here, then select these two cells A13 and A14 by holding Shift and then pressing the down arrow. Then do the same thing. Hold Alt, press H, D for delete, and R for rows, and it deleted it. Now, if you want to, let's say, add a row in between rows 8 and 9, select the cell in row 9 because it's going to add the row above it. So you press Alt. Remember, don't hold it, just press it. Press H, I for insert because we're going to insert a row, and then R for rows. And then you have inserted a row.